Mamma mia, we're at IKEA.
What's that?
IKEA, yeah.
It's IKEA.
Hey everyone, it's me.
Kristenly Awkward.
Hey, how's it going?
Okay.
Good. Glad. Cheers. Love this stuff. Waterloo watermelon. Hashtag sponsor me, please, because I drink you all the time. Okay. Well, let's. Okay. Have fun. Okay. Don't mind if I do. I'm already entranced. Run, Forrest, run! All right. I got some veggie balls and some like type of curry sauce with some like seasonal vegetables and some quinoa or couscous or quinoa. I don't know. Quinoa Phoenix? I don't know. Okay.
Hello, it's me, Kristenly Awkward. And my totally normal, unsus, real voice. Boy oh boy were those veggie balls delightful. The curry sauce was elegant yet modest. The quinoa required seasoning, so I intertwined the sauce and the quinoa. Overall it was a pleasantly gratifying meal. Except the shifty weirdos at the tables beside us. I'm glad they finally left because I was going to roundhouse kick them in the back of the head, Chip. I'm not jacked up on Mountain Dew. You are.
Happy Pride Month. Cheers.
Can you get that? Just take it out. It's not fair if she doesn't get to run.
He loves me. He loves me not. Hey, bring the ladder over here. I gotta get some work done. Thanks. Okay. I guess you could say things are getting a bit cherry.
God, Morgan!
I will whisk it all for the... Yeah. No, I really strive on being a personable person. It's like Juval Obloma, right?
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Just talk.
Listen, Linda. Listen, Linda. Linda. Listen, Linda. Alright, gang. We made it. Oh, that's my girl. That's my girl. Anyways.
Oh, there's my girl.
So, I hope you liked our trip to IKEA. Pew, 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 pew. It was fun, right? Yeah, okay. Tell me in the comments below, what was your favorite part? Okay, well anyways. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that ring-a-ding bell so you never miss an upload. You don't want to miss any of this. Awkward goodness. I love you so much. Okay, bye.